Hello, everybody. I just wanted to say hello, and I've been sick for like the whole month of December, and I think I'm finally feeling a little bit better. Anyways, I just wanted to make an update. I'm pre-tea, pre-everything, and, oh yeah, I found a, community center, or a community center. It's called Chase Brexton, and basically it's, if you have low income, they'll decide a copay for you to be able to see a doctor and all, and they said I'd be able to, I'd probably be in the bracket of $20 a visit, so that's really good. Anyways, I have a doctor's visit, or my first doctor's visit on the 21st of January. So I'm gonna see, that's a regular doctor, general practitioner, I guess. And then from there, I'm going to tell her about the gender identity issue, and what she'll do is she'll refer me to someone who can help me. So I can be on the road then to starting this whole thing. So if you hear something, my cat is cleaning herself. Samantha, what are you doing? Anyways, she's just a fat black cat. I love her. She's almost 13 years old. Anyways, so I'm excited to see her. It'll be my first time seeing a doctor in a very long time. But, sorry I'm moving so much. I'm on my bed, so, oh yeah. I don't know if I talked about it before, but, I have a partner, a fiance. She, had 2 kids in a marriage with a man, and they are 3 and 5 now. When I met her, they were 1 and 3. So, basically, Samantha, you are getting on my nerves. Anyways, so they call me Mama Kris, and which is awesome, you know. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you because she is absolutely supportive of my decision to go forward with it. Of course, she has her she has her fears about the whole thing changing. Bad attitude, or you get get angry or anything. Right now, I'm a calm person. I do defend and speak my mind, but not, too bad. So, anyways, she's supportive, so, which is good. I've told my sister and my mom. Oh, I'm gonna have to record this. Samantha, stop. 'Cause she's so fat that she, makes these noises. And it is like, Anyways, so yeah, she's supportive, and that's a good thing. So we'll see. And I mean, she's been with men and women, but because she's been with me, she loves me for me and for who I am. So, oh yeah, I wanted to show you. I don't take anything, I'm pre everything, but like in my other videos, I showed you that I get hair on my chin and on my face. Well, I've been letting my sideburns grow. I'll show you this one. Oh. It's like all the way down here. I like shave it up to here. Anyways, that's my hair, which if you put it up like that, I have like, I'm trying to look in the, but it's pretty long. All the way to down there. And if I'd let it grow, it'd probably grow all the way down here. And on my face right here. And it grows under here. Under here. And that's my other sideburn. I can't really see it, but I like my sideburns. Today's a bad hair day. I need a haircut. But anyways, I'm excited about seeing a doctor, and then, yeah. So, that's pretty much it. And I hope everyone's doing good, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.